Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Well, I love the story about how pecans came to the Indian Reservation. Is it Fort McDowell Salt River Indian Reservation?
Fort McDowell, yes.
The crops that are proven, crops that have a ready market, low pesticide, low labor, no post-harvesting. But on top of that, pecans also have 19 vitamins and minerals, including A, E, folic acid, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, B vitamins, and zinc. And that's one thing I do remember about pecans is when you're fertilizing, you have to add zinc to the fertilizer specifically for pecans.
They are a nutrient-dense food. That's why we need to be eating them, and also pistachios.
And then you sprinkle a little, you paste on a little melted butter.
Yeah.
And then you sprinkle a little garlic pepper and a little cayenne pepper on top of them.
Now you're talking.
We got that recipe at rosieonthehouse.com. We made it for our partners one year as a Christmas mom, Jennifer. we Rosie on the House. And, you know, we were doing something different every year. So the next year we did something else, and they all complained, like, where's my pecans?
And my Cajun Romero family here, if there's anybody that knows how to cook with pecans, it's you guys. One of a few more fun facts here is Arizona's Green Valley Pecan Company is the world's largest irrigated pecan orchard. That's right here in Arizona. And if anybody knows how to grow pecans, it's that family. It's the Walden family. To produce fruit, and half the time farmers bud or graft seedlings onto established rootstock. Pecan trees are alternate bearing, correct? Are they still alternate bearing?
They are.
Yep. And
what does that mean?
that means they have one good year of production. The other year is kind of, they might have a few, but not like it's alternated.
It puts a lot of stress on the tree when you have a big crop. So it says I'm going to take a year off, but I'm not going to produce as much and to get my reserves built back up.
And one of the most important statistics is it takes 78 pecans to make a really good pecan pie. So that's my next question. Now we're go ahead.
So anytime I follow a recipe, especially out of an older cookbook,
yes,
I think a lot of them came out of like the Depression era, because I always double the amount of meat that's in the recipe. I'm like, you get done, you're making a pasta, it's like, there's no meat in here. I gotta double the meat. Well, I would probably double the pecans.
Okay,
on that
so like 120 or 180.
Yeah.
Okay.
I definitely recommend doubling it. That helps us.
Gotta get that protein and all those dense nutrients.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.